Sponsored by Model Makers Workshop. Need parts for your next model project? Model Makers Workshop has you covered with the best aftermarket accessories around. Fueling obsession, one detail at a time. This month's Viewer Spotlight features artist Andrew Argent from the United Kingdom. I stumbled across one of Andrew's amazing rust and patina creations at Lucas's Facebook group page. When I first saw his work, I had to look 2 or 3 times because I thought I was seeing the real thing. What first caught my eye was this series of photos of this 1957 Chevy in an overgrown field. I didn't believe it was a diorama until I saw this photo of him holding the front seat in his hand. Being that I was in total awe with this masterpiece, I reached out to him asking for permission to feature his work in this month's Viewer Spotlight, for which he agreed. Additionally, I asked him to tell me a little something about his amazing art, which once again he agreed. Andrew stated that he lives in the UK and is a canvas artist and got back into modeling in 2006. He stated that he began building rusty stuff around 2012. He told me this first small diorama of a rusty oil drum with all the tiny nature around it launched him as an artist worldwide. He stated that this and another commissioned piece called The Circle of Life won him top awards wherever they went into competition, and both were featured in a book called Extreme Reality by AK Interactive. He then was featured in another edition of the book featuring the rusty Chevrolet. Here is a scale copy of a rusty old World War II Kettenkrad, a half-track motorcycle with a single front wheel that he saw online. Here we see several other examples of his outstanding work. And check out this amazing recreation of the Christine movie car. And if you've seen the movie, you know what this is on the dashboard. His most recent model is this amazingly detailed scene from World War II about German SS Lieutenant Colonel Joe M. Chin Piper and his retreat back to Germany on foot with his 800 men as they came across many obstacles, including broken bridges over rivers. And this concludes this edition of the Viewer Spotlight. Please comment below to let Andrew know what you think of his work. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.